Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TikTok Shop transactions for US bookkeeping, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download your TikTok Shop transactions for US bookkeeping, begin by logging into your TikTok Shop account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Orders tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on the Orders tab to view your transaction history. In the Orders section, you can filter your transactions by date or status. Choose the specific time frame for which you want to download the transactions. After selecting the appropriate filters, look for the Export button, usually located at the top right corner of the Orders page. Click the Export button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the export format. Select your preferred file format, typically CSV or Excel. Confirm your selection by clicking the Download button. The file will now be generated, which may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, check your computer's Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is accurate. Make any necessary adjustments for your bookkeeping needs. Save the document in your desired location for future reference. Your TikTok Shop transactions are now ready for bookkeeping purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.